Good morning, students. May peace be upon you all. In my last class, we have seen how to add and how to subtract, addition and subtraction of integers. In this class, we will see how to multiply and divide. So we will learn multiplication and division of integers. In multiplication, first important is how to multiply the signs. Look at the blackboard. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. Then plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. This is very important. If we know, it will become easy for you when you open the bracket. It is very useful. Now, simple thing to keep in mind is multiplication of same sign is plus and multiplication of different sign is minus. See here, when you multiply the same sign, you will get the result in positive. When you multiply the different sign, you will get the result negative. One more thing, the signs can be multiplied more times also. That time result will be different. See here, minus into minus into minus. We will see what we will get if we multiply minus 3 times. Minus into minus is plus, we know. Then here again plus into minus is equal to minus. Like this. And if you multiply plus any number of times, you will get plus only. But when you multiply the minus odd times, you will get result as minus. If you multiply minus even times, you will get result plus. Keep in mind. Now, if the signs are minus into plus, like this. Minus into minus is plus. Now, plus into plus is plus. We know how to multiply the signs if signs are more than 2 times. Keep in mind. Now, let's go to the numbers. 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 3 is 15. Now, here we have plus 5. If sign is not mentioned, as we know, if sign is not mentioned, sign will be plus. This plus into plus is plus. 5 3 is 15. It will be plus 15. Suppose it is minus 5 into minus 3. Minus 5 into minus 3. Again, first multiply the sign, then multiply the numbers. Keep in mind, first multiply the sign, then multiply the numbers. Minus into minus will be plus. If sign is plus, then no need to write also. If you cannot write, it's okay, no problem. If you do not write, it's okay, no problem. Minus into minus is plus. 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is 15. Result will be same. Now, if one sign is positive, another sign is negative, and as I said, when you multiply the different sign, you will get result in negative. Plus into minus is minus. 5 3s are 15. And if one is minus, another is plus. If one integer is in minus, another is in plus. Let's see what will happen. Again, minus into plus is minus. 5 3s are 15. So we have to multiply the sign first, then numbers. Suppose if it is in the form of variable. Suppose it is in the form of variables. Now we'll take some examples here. Minus 5x into, we'll take first example of plus 5x into plus 4x, plus 5x into plus 4x. All of you see here. First multiply the sign. First multiply the sign. Plus into plus is plus. Now multiply the number. 5 4s are 20. X into x is x square. Result will be 20x square. When sign, number and variable all are there, that time first you have to multiply the sign. First multiply the sign, then multiply the number, then multiply the variables. As we have done here. Plus into plus, plus 5 4s are 20, x into x, x square. Suppose if it is like this, minus 5x into minus 4x. Minus into minus is plus. If plus is the sign, if you do not mention, it's okay, no problem. If minus is the sign, if you do not mention that sign, then you will not get right answer. Keep in mind. Minus into minus is plus. First multiply the sign as I said, then multiply the number. 5 4s are 20. X into x is x square. Sometime what will happen? This number with variable and another number you will get without variable. 5x into minus 2. 5x into minus 2. Now see, as I said, first multiply the numbers. Plus into minus is minus. Then multiply the numbers. 5 2s are 10. Then we have variable only with 5, not with x. So not with 2. So this x will be as it is. Result will be minus 10x. Like this we have to multiply. Suppose if it is like this, 5p square into 2p, like this, into 2p. Here both the signs are positive. If you multiply the 2 plus sign, you will get plus only. Then multiply the numbers. 5 2s are 10. Then p square into p will give you pq. P square into p will give you pq. How it is? See here, p square into p. We know if bases are same, powers can be added. If bases are same, powers can be added. Here bases are same. Here power is 2. If power is not mentioned, then power will be 1. Keep in mind, if power is not mentioned about the variable, power will be 1. So here, if bases are same, powers can be added. This power is 2 and this power is 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to p cube. Like this we will get it. This is also very important, you should know. If signs are different, suppose like this, 5 y into minus 3y is equal to plus into minus is minus, as we know multiplication of different sign is negative. 5 3s are 15. Y into y is y square. As I said you, here if bases are same, powers can be added. Here power is 1, here power is 1. So y into y will be y square. Now, suppose one example I will take. Minus 5 into x minus 2. Minus 5 into x minus 2. We have to open this bracket. Okay. Now all of you see here how to open it. First, multiply the sign, then multiply the number, then multiply the variable. If only number and variable is there, we can multiply number with the variable. Now, how to open, that is what's important. What's important is how to open. Minus 5 into x. The one which is outside has to be multiplied inside with both the numbers. Now minus 5 into x, then both the terms, minus 5 into minus 2. Minus 5 into this term, minus 5 into minus 2. See here all of you. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. Here sign is positive. Minus into plus is minus. 5 into x is 5x. Again, minus into minus is plus. 5 into 2 is 10. The result will be minus 5x plus 10. It is very important, you should know how to open the bracket by multiplying the number with the terms which are inside the bracket. Keep in mind. I am explaining one more time. First, minus into plus is minus. 5 into x is 5x. Then minus into minus is plus. 5 to the 10. Like this we have to open the bracket. Suppose if two brackets are like this, one is x minus 2, another is x plus 3. Let's see how to open the bracket. First term of the first bracket has to be multiplied with the first term of the second bracket, also second term of the second bracket. First term of the first bracket has to be multiplied with first term of the second bracket and also second term of the second bracket. X into x is equal to x square. X into 3 will give you 3x. X into 3 will give you 3x. Now, this is over. Multiplication with this term is over. Now we will multiply these two terms with minus 2. Second term of the first bracket has to be multiplied with the first term of the second bracket, also second term of the second bracket. Now, minus 2 into x, minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus, 2 into x is 2x. 2 into x is 2x. And minus into plus is minus. 2 3s are 6. Solution is not over. Now we have to see the like terms. How many like terms are there? That we have to see. And those like terms can be solved. As I said before, like terms can be added, can be subtracted. Unlike terms cannot be added, cannot be subtracted. Here we have two like terms, 3x minus 2x. So those two terms can be subtracted. Now see, some students do mistake here also. X square plus 3x, they will write 4x or 4x square. That is wrong. We cannot add x square and 3x. Both are unlike terms. We can solve 3x minus 2x. So those are like terms. So this x square will be as it is because we don't have another term of x square. But we have two terms of x that can be solved. So 3x minus 2x will give you plus x. As I told you in my last video, when you subtract, that time you have to see sign of the bigger number. Here bigger number is plus. Okay, bigger number is in greater number is in plus, so sign will be plus x. And this minus 6 will be as it is. Because we don't have another term of constant. If we have, we will solve. If we don't have, it will be as it is. This will be the result. Now I am giving you homework. You all have to solve and send me personally. Homework. Five into 6 minus 5 into 10 minus 6 into minus 3. Then fourth one question, 3x into 9x and fifth one minus 3x into minus 7x. Sixth one question, minus 5x square into minus 5x square into 3x is equal to, and one more question, that is 0, 7 x minus 5 into x plus 6 is equal to. This is the homework. One more thing I will show you. 5x into 6y. Suppose it is like this. 5x into 6y. First multiply the sign. Minus into plus will be plus. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Now x into y. Unlike terms can be multiplied. Unlike terms can be multiplied. Keep in mind. In multiplication, unlike term can be multiplied and like terms can be multiplied. Both can be multiplied. Like terms and unlike terms. Okay? Here x into y will be xy. X into y is xy. Now, this is today's class. All of you see the video carefully. Try to learn what is all about these things. Okay? Then do the homework and let me know in comments if you have any doubt, or you can send me the message personally also. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, Amir sir and Asman sir. Thank you very much for listening.